Good afternoon. I am Sylvia, the crafty old lady. I hope you're happy, healthy, safe, and warm and dry. And today I'm going to show you day 7, 8, and 9 of December dailies. I did them already off camera because I am running behind, and then I thought I would just show them to you. Prompt number 7 was holiday movie, and this was a new holiday movie that I really liked, and it's called The Nutcrackers. And these are just some scenes. That's like the cover of the movie, the cover picture, I guess you could say. And these are just some scenes from the movie. It was a really cute Christmas movie, by the way. I really liked it. Oh, number 4. Where did this green number 4 come from? Here. And so for number 8, the prompt was snowflake, and so I got some nice kind of vintagey looking snowflake paper at Hobby Lobby, and I made a snowflake, and I made a little snowflake for the number. And then for number 9, it was holiday baking. I don't really do a lot of baking, but I thought this was a perfect paper to go with holiday baking spirits bright, baked with love. If I do bake something, I can put a picture of it right there. So that is it for 7, 8, and 9. And the next one, number 10, I cut this by accident. Number 10 is going to be traditions. I'm not sure what to do for that one. I have to start thinking about what I could consider a tradition at our house. But anyway, I hope you are having a great holiday season so far, no matter what you celebrate or don't celebrate. And we will see you again next time. Bye-bye.